Off from Lawrence. The game will be carried by FSN. Time for Sights and Sounds. We came close to the Kansas border this week. Thayer Central versus Tri-County.
Come on. Let's go. Turn your lights on. Let's get it on. Come on, boys. Let's go.
Go, let's go! Tigers!
You know these guys are going to play intense. All right, we got to start taking it to them. Take advantage of this right now. Come on, Sam! Come on, Sam! Yeah! 4 yards of pop. Let's just walk a marcher down the field, okay? Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
A big win for a small school. They've already wrapped up the division. Good luck to you guys in the playoffs. And some breaking news, Nebraska to host the 2008